Oh, putang ina mo! Putang ina mo!
Oh my god.
Oh my God.
God.
Natatakot ako.
Sa
Kunin mo
katawan.
sa gilid. Nasa gilid ng yung...
Oh shit! He closed the door! Di ba gusto ko yung
Si ano nga lang, si
eh.
Emily tsaka si Marco something yung libre.
Ako lang si Emily kasi ako she, ikaw he.
Pag umiihi ka ako, nakaupo. Ikaw nakatayo.
Paano mag-join?
Punta ka sa home.
I don't know. Maybe press the join button.
Wala.
Ha?
Ayaw. Shut the fuck up. Yeah, Earl. I am press. I know how to press. Okay, but I cannot. Ayun, okay na. Anong password? N-word?
1, 2, 3, 4. Ay,
Ah,
Hindi ako
she
tulad
missed
mo,
the opportunity to use the N-word, ha?
hindi ako tulad mo.
Game.
Isang racist.
Hi guys, welcome back sa my YouTube channel.
Pwede bang kainin niyo yung mga mic niyo? Kasi medyo mahina, lalo na si Wed. Anyway,
Okay.
let's start! Ayun na. Oh,
Ako'y niloko mo.
oh shit!
Pwede bang
Same
mic
ano
na
lang.
lang sa Roblox?
this song.
Ay,
Turn it up.
where are you guys sitting? Ako sa shotgun.
Dun sa unahan tapos
Hawak
nasa
mo
right.
ang beat, hawak mo ang gabi!
Nasa likod ako. Likod, nasa left side.
Makinig ka sa storya.
All right, we are home.
Oh shit.
We are home. Get out.
Okay. Oh shit.
Oh!
Oh my god.
Okay, ano muna tayo? Attendance. Parang kaya tayo namamatay agad eh. Attendance. Okay. Pila, pila. Okay, present. Toby, Wed. Okay, next.
Noreen, Norse, present.
Okay, present.
Asan?
Ay!
Present.
Okay. Where are we
Present
gonna
ka-
go now?
Okay,
Nagsa-sign
so paano
language si...
papasok?
Oh.
Katukin mo muna. Let's go backyard. We're
Backyard.
going to...
Oh!
Uy, meron
Uy,
climb.
Monoblock, Philippines. Philippines.
Uy, nasa taas ako.
Iha.
Norse, anong ginagawa mo dito? May note, sabi, N-word.
Gaga.
Sa baba na kami.
Oh.
Wala
Pumasok
mo
na
kayong kasabi-sabi. Norse, present.
What the fuck?
Present.
Where are you guys?
Ito,
Present.
ako lang naman yung
Now on.
I need to pick up
Pick
my
up the
toys.
toys.
Oh, ayan,
around.
Norse.
Put them in the toy. Homework
Andito.
from now on.
May note, may note, may note.
Anong note?
Do you eat pussy like that?
Oh.
Kasi mga toys. Where are my toys eh?
Nasaan yan ba yung toys?
May nalagay na akong dalawa dun.
O, edi ikaw na yung favorite ng mama natin.
Talaga.
Ayan na last toy. Need the last toy.
Saan niyo nakukuha?
Secret. Huwag niyo sabihin kay off. Alright, let's see what's next on
Homework
the list.
ang next. Baka computer.
Okay,
na.
ako next.
Homework. Okay, now we go up again. Feeling ko.
Ano ba yan? Ang...
Yung
Pwede
computer
namang-
yan. Pwede ba? Isa lang magbubukas?
Ako mauna.
Anyway.
Kung sinong last pangit?
Maniwala tanga.
Oh, yeah.
Kung sinong last pangit? Yung homework na sa bathroom.
Wow. Sige.
Sarap.
Andun yung homework eh.
Asan?
Tara, akit tayo.
Kailan nakababa na?
Di ba ito? Ito, yung note na yan.
Yun, gumana. 9 times 6. What's
7.
9 times 6? Negative 1, no? 8 minus 9.
Di ka namin ma-open eh.
Oh, tapos.
Tapos
Kinabahan
na
siya.
homework, let's load the washing machine.
The washing machine
Ah,
is
the
down the
basement.
basement.
What? Oh my gosh, where is the
Oh.
basement?
I need a flashlight.
Nasa room
Kasi
daw
they're
ng
room
mom.
Mom.
Nasa mama niya? Mama niya?
Mama mo?
Mama mo?
Ayan.
Ayan.
Okay.
There's some in the
Batteries.
drawer downstairs. Ayan.
Ay, ayun, there they are.
Oh, okay.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay.
Oh.
Yo! Press right click to flashlight.
Wait lang, kinuha ko na yung laundry. Nasa CR talaga. Oh!
Wow!
Uy,
Oh!
gago.
Oh,
Okay,
Oo,
akit
tama.
ulit. Punta kayo
Uy,
ulit
may
kayo sa
toy.
CR. Kinuha ko na.
Okay, lalagay ko na.
Babagan.
Okay, no?
Joke
Sipag ni
lang.
Nurse na anak.
Ano? What is that noise?
Uy, dito sa basement. Should I check?
Wait lang, samahan ka namin. Chill ka lang.
Fuck around and find out.
Pasok kayo! You guys are the man! Oh shit!
What is this?
I think this is a torture room.
Oo nga, no?
Anyways, I should go upstairs to see what's left.
Run! Run! Our Lola is gone. Charot.
Yo.
Sino ba yung nagsasara ng pinto na yan?
Si Nurse.
Oh hindi, alayo ko talaga.
Give Grandma her pills. Okay.
In her bedroom. Oh shit. Tamo, she's gonna start weakening.
Totoo. Like parang the pills are making her cray-cray.
I'm gonna give it to her as a caretaker.
Okay.
Here we go, Grandma! Now I can finally cross
off
my
the
last chore.
Okay.
Napalikata doon.
Nanahimik, guys. Like, so silent.
May tumatawag. Si Banker yan.
Hello.
Oh, shit!
Whimpering.
Ooh, I hate that.
I don't like that.
Oh.
Ay, pagsigaw ka pa.
Sige, iwan nyo ako
Sino ba-
dito. Parang
Sino ba kasi ang hilig magsara ng pinto para makatanga?
Chase, si Nurse. Si O.
Oh, hindi talaga!
Grandma, ay, ayun
Roll
na.
VTR! Oh,
Gago
shit!
na.
Baka naman sila.
Or baka bumaba siya.
May tumunog sa loob, sa taas. Parinig ko.
Baka natulog lang. Let's go,
Kasi
guys.
the man.
Ang goofy maglakad!
Ang may crouch.
Let's go, guys.
She's sleeping.
Kasi,
She's sleeping nga.
Tulog na siya. Babaliktad yung cross.
Grandma,
Promise.
are you
Ayun
there?
nga din nararamdaman ko eh. Oh, of course, the power went out.
Of
Sino
course,
pupunta?
and sa basement yun.
Crouch kayo, crouch. You have to be careful. This is the challenge. We're gonna do it with no flashlight. Challenge.
Ay,
Ay, sige. Oh, go.
go! You guys are the man!
Wala ko makita. Una ka, Norse. Because you got the YouTube.
Oh, bitch. Yo, kill it.
Uy,
Kill
sino
it right
to?
now. Kill it right now.
Make it stop.
Oh.
hindi siya napapata.
What?
Ay! Ito ata sa other room, sa kabila.
Oh, oo nga, no? What?
Oh, shit!
What the hell?
Okay, guys. Kailangan natin
Oh.
Ikaw naman. Sige, ikaw naman ang muna.
Wow, this is
Wow!
so cool.
This is so cool.
I've gotta tell Grandma about this. Oh, ano yun? May nasa taas.
Oh, shit. Oo nga, no. Hindi ba yan sa likod? Lalabas na ba
Feeling
tayo?
Yeah, let's go tell Grandma about this.
Let's go tell
Uy,
Grandma.
ayoko. Natatakot ako.
Oh, shit. Ah, kaya akala ko.
Okay. Let's tell our Grandma. Oh. Hello.
Lola?
Look what I found.
Grandma.
Putay na,
Tapos
she's
tingnan
gonna
mo,
fucking
guys.
stand up, bro. She's gonna start standing up.
Why can't I move?
Oh, shit!
Oh my gosh!
Oh my God.
What the fuck? Hindi ko in-expect yun ha. Akala ko tatayo siya bigla.
Apparently
The
not.
Yung case nasa nasa salas, babe. Natatakot ako.
Nasa
Kunin niyo
katawan.
sa gilid. Nasa gilid ng yung key.
Ayo.
Tangin,
gilid
nasa
yung
katawan
key.
daw.
Sa salas.
Nasa katawan
punta
niya.
mo na!
Nasa salas.
Okay, jiggle peek. Valorant.
Saan?
It's gone.
Wala. Uy, gago, wala yung keys.
Tangin, nasa katawan niya nga daw.
Ay, nagsarado yung pinto oh. Dun sa
Oh,
basement.
shit.
Quiet.
Bukas yan ang iniwan natin. Okay. Crouch. Oh shit.
Uy, wala. Ba tayo po?
Ooh! Oh, yun!
Wait, ganito. Maghiwa-hiwalay tayo. This is the plan.
No,
Wow,
no, that's a bad
wow.
idea.
That's a bad
how
idea.
That's how horror characters die.
Mauuna si Noise. Mahilig kasi siya mag-N-word.
Gaga!
Wala nangyayari.
Walang
Nasa kwarto
nangyayari.
yun. Nasa kwarto yun. Nasa kwarto yun.
Baka nasa ulo niya. Oh! What the fuck? Kala ko kung sino. Baka din siya pintay kasi umihi siya.
Ayan, o,
Oh,
di ba?
okay.
Sa CR?
Sa CR nga.
There's the key. Oh, gosh.
Oh
Oh
no,
my gosh, yung katawan niya.
grandma.
Balls.
What the frick? I feel like throwing off.
So, anong gagawin natin ngayon? Ano para saan to?
Sa labas,
exit?
kailangan natin lumabas.
Alright, let's
Oh
see.
shit.
Oh!
Uy.
Oh, shit.
Oh!
Chapter
What
1
happened?
completed. Joke lang. Where am I?
Where am I?
Ang syungan naman nila.
Where did this
Need to
take
find a
me?
way out of here.
The beginning of the end.
Asan kayo?
Mama don't know that it's getting heated.
Ew.
Screwdriver. Screwdriver.
Ako
Kuran mo to.
isi-screw.
Ay,
I hope I get
Oh.
screwed.
I wish
Ano ba?
mommy
Ayaw.
get better soon. She in the hospital. I don't know when she comes.
Flashlight.
Scissors.
why is it suddenly so quiet?
Dito yun, oh. Dito kayo,
Ay,
punta kayo dito.
oh my
Pulse
gosh, merong
collected.
hide! Merong hide!
Oh, be,
Matakot
may
kayo.
hide sa closet.
Matakot kayo, may hide.
Bill was involved in an altercation with another people. The confrontation became physical and regrettably resulted in serious injury to the other student. So arrange a personal interview.
What?
Oh, putang ina mo! Putang ina mo!
Oh
What the fuck?
shit! Oh shit!
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
my god.
What the fuck?
Guys, I don't even know where I'm at.
Di ko rin alam kung nasan. Ala, naghiwalay-hiwalay tayo.
Why?
Nasaan siya?
Merong ano dito sa tabi, oh.
Uy, nasa akin!
Oh fuck. I'm going up. I'm going up. I'm going up. I'm going up.
I'm going
We're
up!
going up.
It's our moment!
What are we doing?
Up, no, boys!
Wait, ano na gagawin natin?
Natakot ako. Salamin! Oh my gosh, that's
Oh.
so creepy.
Ang cute na ka Hello Kitty pala ako.
Ah, paano to gamitin? Pray
Maybe.
him with it. Well, how do I use it?
Ayun nga that's why I'm tripping.
Baka
May namatay?
Oo! 3 lives remaining! 3 lang buhay! Tara, punta natin.
Oh no, she can. What the fuck? Kayo niya makakita sa loob? Ito oh.
Ay,
What's this for?
kanina pa akong
Oh my God!
This letter is to confirm that we have successfully changed the code on your keypad lock as requested. The previous code has been completely removed and the new code has been programmed and tested to ensure proper functionality. 2378 ang new code.
What?
2378.
Bukas ko
Buksan
na.
mo, anong laman? Anong laman?
Fucking bolt cutters.
Guys, kailangan natin ng dog food.
Kailangan ko siya kung anong gusto ko paano kung saan gagamitin.
Oh fuck.
Guys, nasa akin yung bolt cutters. Mabubuksan ko
Oh
na yung...
bitch!
Mabubuksan ko na yung bolt. Puntahan niyo ako.
Asan ba yun?
Asa ka ba? Paano ba namin malalaman?
Dun sa spawn. Dun sa may
Oh,
patay na
what the
katawan.
fuck? Saan si Chase? Fuck, we're all, ano na.
Nasa closet.
Come out,
What?
come out.
I'm in the closet. I need to go sa parang fireplace. Kasi may gas
Oh,
can
fireplace
na ako.
is malapit sa spawn.
Talaga?
Ah.
Dito siya.
Yeah, like, ito yung fireplace. Oh, hey. Ito,
Asan yung fireplace?
this.
Ito.
I mean, I'm gonna close the door. Ay, si Wed.
Uy, oh my gosh, itaas mo
Nalagay
ako.
ko na.
Itaas mo ako.
Okay, wait lang. Nag-animation.
Uy, itaas mo ako sa floor.
Wow.
Bubuksan ko.
Alam mo, open.
Oh, wow, what the I'm dead.
Yun naman.
Yo, fuck this game.
Damn, I wish I was this game, bro.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, shit! What the fuck? I died, bro. I died. I have 1 life! We need,
Looks
like,
real.
dog food. We need, like, dog food, bro.
Oh, he's here.
Diba? Baka yung manok sa baba.
Oh. Kailangan natin ng dog food, bro.
Labas na lang tayo, tapos bumili tayo. I'm assuming na dito
Oh,
si
Baka may
Wed.
mahanap ka dyan.
Patay na ako.
Meron ditong coffin.
Revive Master Nurse for 50 robot.
What happened?
Go.
Turn loob.
Mabuhay ka.
Ah!
Maglalaro tayo.
Ay! Nirevive gamit robot?
Seryoso ba?
Oh my God!
That's
Do I look unserious
crazy!
to you?
Grabe ka, BFF. Pero isa lang na... Oh my God.
At dahil dyan, ayusin mo ang laro.
Saan hanap ng dog food? If I was a dog food, where would I?
If I was a dog food.
Ano yun? May nag-light up na namang isa pa.
Kaya
Yung
nga.
kabaong?
Oo. Oh, here.
Ay.
Andito na
But we
ako.
don't have a key. Girl, we don't have a key.
Pwede ba gamitin ng screwdriver? Tapos pagsasaksakin ko na lang yung ano ko.
Totoo, like realistically speaking, nabukas ko na yan ng kamao ko.
Kaya nga.
Barrel.
Yung handle, no?
Ay!
Yung pang ano.
Wait, anong pangalan niya? Bill siya, di ba? Bill?
Oh,
Tingnan nyo nga yung ID niya.
ID?
Di ba may ID siya dyan? Bill, ano yun? Look at
Bill
the ID.
Gates? Nasaan siya?
Oo. Oo.
Try it.
Hindi, apat lang kasi siya.
Billy nga.
Ano
Apat
spelling?
nga lang. Ilang spelling ang
Oh,
Billy?
edi ano. Edi bawasan mo ng isang letra.
I need the last name. Baka Bill.
Baka B-I-L-L sa harap.
Baka Bill, tapos
Ano
babalik na din mo yung
onward?
Bill. Believe.
Ay. Ang paano
N-I.
niya? 2, 3, 4. What is the password?
Ano pa siya?
Bakla, paiba-iba yan. Huwag kang ano.
Hindi ganun na. Saan nga ni? Shit.
Baba.
Oh, bitch!
Shit. Patay ka? Uy, gago! May nakatago! Uy, takino, may nakatago! Sabihin niyo naman kung saan kayo nakatago pero hindi na, para hindi na pumunta doon. I-check yung mga bagay-bagay. Baka po okay na kayo.
Ay, Wed! Ikaw to, no? Wed, come here, quick! Dito,
Wait
dito.
lang, let me catch my breath.
Frozen head. Alright, give me that shit. I'm gonna run to the spawn. I mean, to the fireplace. Bye.
Closing the door. I close the door.
Okay, the key is here. Anong key to?
Yung
Oh
una,
my God! What the hell? God, nagulat ako. That was like... Oh my God!
Ah, ito! Ito. Yung code. Dun sa
Pangalan ng
briefcase.
briefcase? Anong code?
Ano mo nakita?
Yan, tinype ko sa Roblox chat. That's it, no? IR. Yan!
Ayan.
Coffin key. Ayan! Ang
Oh,
putang
shit.
ina. Ah, ito.
Ayan.
Oh, hi. Ano yun?
Nandito
Ayan
sa
na yung
baba,
ano, dun
nandito
sa may-
baba.
Cranker. Okay, go.
Yun na yung sa may dancer.
Nakrak na. Crank 90s. What do I do now?
You crank it.
Yan, nakrank ko
Ayun
na.
na.
Uy, Five Nights at Freddy's to ah.
I-
Ano
Close
to?
mo yung
Every
ilaw.
time.
We got something.
Coin.
Kanina ko.
Siguro
Baka
yung sa
yun
machine.
Yung sa machine. Sa baba.
Okay, where's the machine?
Ay, may nabasag. Yung makaalis.
Bro, this game is stressing me out. Like, I hate being chased. I hate
Ay,
horror.
hindi tayo ako. Okay.
Did I get it? Please tell me.
Stop the burning.
What? What? Di ba kuha? I hit... Ako ko ah.
I had a
What the fuck?
Palaro, kuya.
Kunin mo nga. Ikaw nga kumuha. What the hell?
Dami
Girl.
na kasi ng larong to. Parusa.
Parusa din yung claw machine.
Bumaba siya.
Better fucking... Ayun!
Oh my
Inang hype na claw machine ko. Now give a surprise. Ah, dog food!
Okay, dog food.
Oh my god.
Ayan. Ayun na.
Chest key.
Kunin mo. Kunin mo.
Anong
Ano,
chest?
it's
Ay,
Oh!
Hindi. Yung sa ano? Rust
Hindi.
remover. Okay na.
Pause. Rest remover. Okay, yung ano, yun sa naikot.
Sa baba.
Wait, gumalaw ka
Wait,
na.
dumiretso ka.
Ay,
May malaking hole.
saan?
Wow.
Take booty hole.
Wait lang.
Sana.
wait lang.
Ano to? What's this? Batteries. Wow.
Battery.
Wow, kinakain ng manok yung tao. Binalikan tayo.
Nasa yung screwdriver, yes.
Oh yes, nice. Kasi dito daw siya, no? Baka di na pinakakuha kasi alis na tayo sa bahay.
Lobat na ako sa inventory ko. Nakalagay sa inventory. Lobat na ako.
Oh, labas na nga.
Ah!
It's so
Ito yung
dark,
chest?
bruh.
Note.
O tapos,
May ulo ng aso.
oh, there's a pig.
Alis yata tayo eh.
Girl, wag na tayo mag-explore. Lumayas na tayo.
Yeah, fuck this. Ano to, bagong area? No way. Bagong area, laki oh.
At least give us a checkpoint.
Nasaan?
No, no, no. Feeling ko tapos na. No way.
Taray, may TV. Ay! Oh!
Oh.
Where do we run?
Oh.
Oh my! What are you doing here, sweetie?
Oh, ikaw, what are you doing
what happened
here?
to you?
Oh, this girl is sus.
Don't worry, honey.
Minion neto
It's
ng
safe
Mania.
out here.
Safe,
Oh,
he's probably
you mean
near
my brother
us.
Billy?
Mama mo safe.
I'm his sister.
Oh shit!
No one leaves.
What?
fuck? No one leaves.
Billy's always had anger.
We get the wrong ending.
That's why I decided to live way out here.
So ano, dapat nag-right tayo.
Ma'am?
Takbo.
Oh, shit!
Billy! How many times do I have to tell you to turn that thing off when I'm talking? Now you ruined my cover.
Cover?
Iwan tayo nito. It's gonna go
Calm
down.
down,
Uh-oh.
Billy. Come here.
What does it mean? Ay! Nahulog yung...
What the...
Oh, I
Oh.
knew you should have put that stupid TV
Hey,
somewhere else.
yo!
This is all your fault, Billy.
Oh?
Billy? No.
Nahulugan
What
siya
are
ng
you
TV.
doing?
Belay.
Late yung ano. Late yung animation.
Oh no.
So ano? What happened to... Ano nangyari sa atin?
Girl, what?
So do we go down? Completed.
What?
Ano nangyari?
Grabe, natapos natin yun in 30 minutes. Kanina, 1 hour and 30 minutes.
Yo, what the fuck?
Completed?